Welcome to Amazing 7, and today we are counting down our picks for the top 7 unsolved mysteries 2024. Number 7. Door to Hell, Turkmenistan. Almost 50 years ago, a gaping, burning crater opened up in the northern Turkmenistan wilderness. The Darwaza crater, also remembered as the Door to Hell, is still raging today, and at night its brightness can be seen from miles away. The crater is believed to have been created by a Russian natural gas drilling accident in which engineers set the site on fire to stop the spread of deadly gases, unaware of how long the fire would burn, but that again is one of the unsolved mysteries and an assumption. Number 6. Devil's Tower National Monument, Wyoming. Devil's Tower also takes a seat in the top 7 unsolved mysteries category. It is a climatic geologic feature that extends out of Wyoming's Black Hills region's rolling prairie. This was enhanced to be the first national monument in the country in 1906. It might appear like a majestic mountain, but it's really made of melted rock that harden into interesting geometric columns. This site is holy to multiple Native American tribes, and its mythological quality led to it being highlighted in the science fiction movie Close Encounters of the Third Kind. It's still the framework for Native American ceremonies and a favorite destination for rock climbing and hiking. Number 5. Devil's Bridge, Kromlo, Germany. Various places worldwide have been called Devil's Bridge due to some sort of supernatural intermediary, but the most popular one is located in the German town of Kromlo. Recognized as the metaphorical bridge, dates back to the 1860s and is one of the world's most remarkable bridges. It creates a perfect circle with its own reflection in the water below, and a feat only considered possible with some otherworldly compensation. It indeed is the most beautiful mystery place in the world. Number 4. Crooked Forest, Poland. This Polish forest exists up to its name, with hundreds of unique pine trees as one of the unsolved mysteries. Several hundred pine trees were located there in the 1930s and originated with an almost 90-degree curve at their base, making them look like fishing tools. Some consider that a technique or human tool was actually practiced to make the curve of the tree this way. In contrast, others theorize that a winter snowstorm or some other catastrophe could have given this interesting forest its interesting shape. Number 3. Coral Castle, Florida. A melancholy man single-handedly built Coral Castle in Homestead, Florida, over the period of 25 years, up until he departed for eternity in 1951. He cut, moved, shaped and sculpted more than 1100 tons of coral rock without huge machinery. How precisely he managed this architecture feat with only hand accessories is still an impressive unsolved mystery. Number 2. Blood Falls, Antarctica. On top of being the coolest and driest place on the world map, Antarctica is a place to a crimson hue waterfall called Blood Falls that starkly flows down 5 stories along an icy white iceberg. Scientists have assumptions and have concluded that the grisly color comes from sour, iron-rich water from inside the glacier oxidizing and rotting once exposed to oxygen. Number 1. The Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle is possibly the most famous place when it comes to the top 7 unsolved mysteries of the world. About 500,000 square miles remain in the Atlantic Ocean, connecting Bermuda, Puerto Rico, and Miami, Florida. More than 20 aircraft and 50 boats have mysteriously disappeared into thin air or collapsed without explanation, though vessels led to passing through the area with comfort every day, and there are no more departures in the Bermuda Triangle than in any other large well-traveled ocean area. The unexplained circumstances have still captured the public imagination. This is the most famous mystery place in the entire world.
Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips of Amazing 7 and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified our latest videos.